Water is one of the most essential things on Earth.
It is directly linked to the climate change, which is the main challenge for our generation. The rising sea level is a consequence of that climate change. Every day glaciers melt and the sea level increase, which put in danger ecosystems, underwater life, or even our own life. The most recent estimation confirmed that ocean's level could rise more than 60 centimeters from 2100 and be a serious problem for islands. So during our journey in New Zealand, we tried to see if the Wellington Bay was impacted by that phenomenon and what could be the consequences for the New Zealanders. First of all, we went to meet Eddie. He is a marine biologist working on the Highland Bay Marine Education Center. He is part of the first persons who are witnesses of that rising sea level, and we asked him some questions about that problem.
What extent New Zealand coast, and particularly Wellington Bay, will be affected? Most of Wellington will be affected by sea level rise, purely because Wellington is a coastal city. It's not quite sure what's going to happen, because obviously it's a huge other factors that will be involved with it. The sea level rise, you could actually see an increase in biodiversity.
What legal solutions to limit wasting water have local or national measures already been put in place?
So most of the resources have been invested in seawalls and mitigating any erosion that's caused by sea level rise.
After that, we met Chris Heather, a general manager for the Meridian Energy Company. This company is producing electricity for the whole New Zealand, and all the electricity they generate comes from 100% renewable sources such as water.
Hi Chris. What impact does the rising sea level have for your company?
Thanks, Simon. The global warming and rising sea levels won't directly affect our company. With global warming and changes associated with that, instead of us getting more snow on the mountains, we're going to get more rain, which means that our main storage lakes here, instead of filling up in the summer when the snow melts, will actually fill up more in the winter. So what that will mean for us at a high level is that it will change our storage and our operation of our main hydro catchments. Luckily, this coincides with our demand, so our electricity demand is highest in the winter. This is our Manapuri power station down in the bottom of the South Island. This is our biggest hydro power station in New Zealand, 800 megawatts. And this power station discharges its water to sea level. So you'll get less power out of Manapuri power station as the water level increases.
Finally, thanks to Eddie, Chris, and our own experience over there, we understand that the rising sea level will be an issue for the New Zealanders. Everyone and everything will be affected in New Zealand, but the government is not blind and is already taking care of that problem by implementing solutions.